Shippensburg University's Stewart Hall, rich with history, home to Ship students and faculty for over 120 years. Throughout the years, she's been a gym, a dormitory, a recreation center, a men's day lounge, a place to learn. Now, it's time to restore her to her former glory and set her sails towards a new direction. To create a home for you to come back to and one for new students to begin from. We are asking you to be a lasting part of history by helping to support the restoration of Stewart Hall. Welcome home.